Hey, what's up, everybody? This is GeekyAviseq once again from here in Dallas, Texas, and today I'm bringing you the unboxing and quick review of the Galaxy Buds Live. So, this is the first true wireless headphones from Samsung that has active noise cancellation, as you can see, so competing with the AirPods Pro. But these are priced a little lower at $170 plus taxes. I just got them in the mail today, pre-ordered them on launch day, and let's go ahead and dig in and see how it is. Struggles. Okay, let's go ahead. Looks kind of like the AirPods Pro, but yeah, it looks kind of cute. I also have the Galaxy Buds Plus. So this is how the Buds Plus look versus this one. So when it comes to, the weight, both of them feel almost identical, but this one seems to be much smaller in size. Let's go ahead and dig and see what else comes in the box. Okay. Looks like a USB-C cable, and there's two different size air tips. Let me just, before I lose them, throw it in the box and keep that. I have wireless chargers and plenty of other USB things. So let's move away. Let me bring my phone. And let's go ahead and pair this thing up. Wow. For some reason it's not detecting. Okay, now it came. Took a while. So I'm gonna do this. Let it just set up. While it's doing that, so it's saying 100%. Oh, that's kind of weird. The two different buds have different battery percentages. That's what I don't really like about Samsung. Let me put them in my ears. It's kind of, how do you really? Okay, got it. Let me see. Let me play Spotify. Okay, so I was having too much fun with the headphones. So yeah, so the first impression when I put them on in my ears, it was a little funky. I didn't know how to put them in. And when I paired it up, it did connect, but it didn't connect with the Galaxy Wear app. So I had to manually do that, as you guys saw that. Just kind of little bit of annoying. I don't know why. This is a Galaxy S20, already has the Samsung Wear app because I have the watch as well as the Buds Plus. So it should have done this by default. So while I'm wearing the buds, what I can tell you that these are really comfortable, and this is the kind of thing that I like. I hate the ones that goes and sticks into your ear canal. And even if you're working out or something, I mean, it does provide a lot of noise isolation, but along with that, it gives you the feeling of being stuffy. You know, I feel that it's being stuffy. And sometimes if I'm wearing them for like half a day, like 4 hours, or all the time during work, which you do work calls and stuff, I mean, at one times it just feels so uncomfortable and annoying. My ear starts hurting, and if it's, especially if it's a hot day, and if I'm outside and if you're sweating and the whole stuffiness is, but this does feel really good. I can tell you, this feels better. Like I cannot even tell I am wearing anything. I just feel a little bit of weight, and I can feel something's touching my ears. But honestly, it feels like absolutely fantastic. I mean, even the AirPods Pro doesn't feel this way. It doesn't feel as good as this. Music quality, I don't know, it's asking for a software update, so I'm gonna do that. But on the initial stuff, it lacks a little bit of bass. Even when I did the bass boost up on the equalizer setting, it seems like it's not really super bass heavy. But call overall music quality seems okay. I need to do more in-depth testing before I can give you a final impression. But overall, it seems to be okay. Let me do one thing. Let me update the buds, play around with it a little bit more, and then shoot the next part of the video. And then in the next part, I will also do one thing. I will compare the Galaxy Buds Plus on a call quality and this one, and see how it goes. And also some things like, I will try to go on a running or jogging and see, how much secure these feel, and all those kinds of things. Till then, hang on, guys. So now let's go ahead and do the sound test. What I'm going to do is, right now you can hear me, the recording. I'm speaking through the regular mic on my phone. Now I'm gonna wear these and go ahead and test them. I'm also gonna play a background noise, basically some kind of a city ambience, busy restaurant, and then I'll keep talking so that you guys can, take a guess as how these sound. Um, Let me go ahead and put this on first. Let me make sure it's connect. So right now I am on the Buds Live, and I have made sure Active Noise Cancellation is turned on. So I am speaking through it. So let me just give a regular script, like these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. It comes with an ergonomic fit, 6 hours of battery life, 21 hours with the case. It has triple mics for clear calls, active noise cancellation, Bluetooth sound by AKG. So this is once again a test sample from the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Let me now start the background city ambience. So now I am speaking while I have a background noise, so it's the same sound as if I was sitting in a restaurant in a city. So that's how the Buds Live would sound if I was actually in the city and talking through this one. So once again, it's a Galaxy Buds Live test of the audio quality. Let me give you a script. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. It comes with ergonomic fit, 6 hours of battery life, 21 hours with the included case, triple mics for clear calls, active noise cancellation. So now what I'm going to do is stop it here, and we're gonna look at the Buds Plus next. So guys, now I have the Buds Plus on, and the sound that I'm recording it through them, and you can feel how it feels. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing that I did with when I was wearing the Buds Plus. So this is the when I was wearing the Galaxy Buds Live. So this is the sound test, audio test for Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. This one has 11 hours of playtime, It has two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mics for clear voice call. Also has Qi compatible wireless charging. Again, Bluetooth sound by AKG. Now let me go ahead and turn the noise on. So this is how the Buds Plus sounds when I'm sitting in a noisy environment. So something similar to a restaurant. So once again, this is a Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus voice test using noisy environment. You guys can get a feel of how it feels compared to the Galaxy Buds Live. Once again, I'm just gonna keep talking. Seems like a blabbering, but it's just because for you guys can judge better how it feels when I have the background noise. So now that we have, like, I mean, now there's no background noise, I'm still, talking through the Buds Plus. Let me then switch this off and move on to the next, and I'm going to use my wired headphones, and so that you guys also can compare how these sound versus the wired headphones. Hold on a sec. So guys, this is the audio test through the wired headphones that came with the Samsung Galaxy S20. These are uh, the AKG headphones that came in the Galaxy S20 along with the S20 phone, and this is the audio sample that you could hear me if I was using wired headphones. Let me turn on the background sound and see how that this wired headphone does. Okay, so now I have the background sound turned on and I'm speaking through the bundled AKG headphones that came with the Samsung Galaxy S20, and this is my voice if I was sitting in a busy restaurant and I was using my wired headphones to talk to you guys and how that would feel. So hopefully this will help you guys to decide, which one has the best call quality, the Galaxy Buds Plus, the Galaxy Buds Live, or our old faithful conventional regular wired headphones that comes bundled with the phone. Alright guys, now that you have listened to the three audio samples, when I listened to them, I felt the Buds Live did the best. Um, while the others were decent, I think these did the job pretty well. So in terms of conclusion, I really like these ones, and I'm not saying this because these are the newest or the latest ones from Samsung, but these do have a very good sound quality when it comes to listening to music. It also has good call quality while making calls. I cannot speak of the battery life because I didn't had to charge it ever since I got them yesterday, and I'm still using them. Seems like plenty of juice left. So probably it will actually seems like it will meet the 6 hour claimed battery life. Also, I went running with these and they felt very secure in my ears. Not for a single moment it felt like I'm gonna lose them. So in terms of fit, also great. The other advantage that since these sit outside your ears, so they don't feel like stuffing your ears, or they don't tire your ears out, or it doesn't hurt. I'm sure it will depend on the shape of your ears, but this worked perfectly for me. It also has wireless charging. It also has active noise cancellation. Just like I had mentioned, seems like it would have good battery life, and the other two things that good call quality as well as good music quality. So all in all, these are like an absolute winner. So in terms of pricing, these are launched at 169 or $170. The Buds Plus was $150. So $20 more for the active noise cancellation. And if you were to buy a headphone right now, I would say, pony up the $20 and get this, because for me, this sounds a lot better than this one. Unless you get this one at a significant discount, maybe if you're able to get this for like $100, then definitely worth it, because these headphones are also very good. The Buds Plus are good, but the Buds Live are better in comparison. So if I was to compare the Buds Live or the AirPods Pro, I would say this is better than the AirPods Pro. both in terms of music quality as well as call quality. Also, this has additional feature like the battery life on this one is excellent. And even though the AirPods Pro has that, you can adjust the fit and it's not supposed to make you feel stuffy or tire your ears out, it's still an in canal design, so the buds plug inside your ear canals. You will get used to it after a while and you wouldn't notice them, but from day one these are much more comfortable compared to the AirPods Pro. So in comparison to Apple AirPods Pro, these have better sound quality, better call quality, better battery life, and a better price. I mean, this is 170 versus 250 on the AirPods Pro. But if the price difference is at retail price 150 versus 170, I would recommend pay the $20 more and get the Buds Life, because they are overall much better compared to the Buds Plus. And once again, between the AirPods Pro and the Buds Life, I mean, 170 versus 250, better sound, better call quality, better battery life, no brainer, right? Now if you're on a tight budget, you're looking for something decent and you don't care about active noise cancellation, then I would recommend the Jabra Elite 65T active versions. They frequently come on sale from different retailers like eBay, Rakuten, Newegg. Make sure that you get the ones from the Jabra official store. So they come up with they would be refurbished and with 90 days warranty, and for water and sweat protection for 2 years. They are really good. They have 4 mics, so excellent call quality. Music quality also sounds decent. They have good battery life. The only downside is that they are in ear canal design, so can get a little bit of painful or uncomfortable for usage, and it charges the charging case charges via micro USB. But other than that, those are solid headphones. I don't think there's anything that can beat those headphones at the $50 price range, and especially if you get them the official refurbished versions from the official Jabra store. Next up, on the $100 price range, I think I would recommend these, even though these are not easily available for $100, but I think Verizon is currently running a promo where you can get these for $100. Sometimes these also come bundled with some of the phones. If you buy a Samsung phone either from Samsung or from Amazon, definitely then you can get this as at a discount for $100. The next up, these are my recommendations. In terms of battery life, these are solid. That's why I like this more than the other ones. And then obviously the sound quality and the call quality are also much better. And don't get the Buds, the older version of them. They were really bad. Call quality was absolute trash. Battery life was okay, but call quality was so bad that I wouldn't actually ever think of even getting the Buds. If for $100 price range or a little bit more, then definitely Buds Plus is the choice. That's all, guys. That's everything for this video. Hopefully this will help you decide whether you should go for the Buds Live or not. And if that helps, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe to my channel, that helps me a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.